Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to take 108 megapixel high resolution picture in any Android phone using software algorithms, and even XDA developers recommend this way of taking high resolution pictures. But before that I will explain you how is real 108 megapixel pictures are produced, which we see in most of the flagships and the mid-ranges. To produce a real 108 megapixel picture, both hardware and software plays a very important role. When it comes to hardware, this sensor must support 108 megapixel, and at the same time even the processor should be powerful enough to process the 108 megapixel pictures. And if the ISP of the processor is very nice, which is the image signal processing is very nice, then the image produced will be more better. And at the same time, even the software algorithms are important to process the image and improve the dynamic range and the overall picture quality. So now I hope that you understood that it is not easy to produce real 108 megapixel picture in a normal phone without the hardware and the software, but it is not impossible, because here in this video we are going to use a special software algorithms which will improve the overall picture quality and improve the resolution of the picture, providing us nearly 108 megapixel picture quality on any Android device. So the software name is SR Camera or Super Res Camera. When you open the software, first of all you must click on the three dot icon and go to the settings. There you must change some options and let other be default. First of all you must select on SR factor and it will be showing you some numbers. I recommend you to set it to 3 because that is working perfectly and the picture output is perfect. And after that you can click on sequence size. This also maximum it supports up to 14, but I recommend you to set it to 7. So after that you can go back and tap on the screen and focus the image and just click the picture, and then it will process for a few seconds, and again it will ask to set the sharpness level. So you can select your own sharpness level up to your preference. After setting the sharpness you must click on full SR, then it will process and it takes some time. And then the final output image will be saved in your phone. As the image is high resolution, average image size is about 8 to 10 MB. Here are some samples to show difference between normal camera and SR camera. So if you want, you can visit this software website where you can get more details about this software. The link will be provided in the description. So hope this video is useful. So if you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So I will catch up you in the next one. Bye.